Hey, how's it going? This is Samantha. I'm the owner of St. George Web Design, and I want to just make this video to go over our website design service that we offer real quick. So I'm just going to go over commonly asked questions about my website design service and answer those for you. So first is, why do you focus on local service-based business websites? The reason why we do this is because they're typically much simpler to put together and maintain, and I really just enjoy the type of website that a local service-based business needs, as opposed to an online business or maybe like an e-commerce type of a business. They need a whole different type of a website, ClickFunnels or Shopify type of structured websites. But for local service-based businesses, it's about the first priority is converting users or converting website visitors to leads for that business. And then the second is to educate those website visitors on why they should be going with this particular company. And so I really do enjoy building and maintaining those types of websites and helping out these types of businesses. Second question is, what are the essential elements for an effective web or effective service business website? So the number one thing is going to be having prominent call to action buttons. And so the first call to action button will typically be like a book a call or get a free estimate or fill out our form, things like that. And so making sure that those buttons are very prominent on the website throughout the entire website. And then also making sure we have the phone number very clear and clickable in the header of the website. Those are the biggest things. Beyond that, you want to make sure you have the essential pages of a blog to educate your audience and then to help with local SEO efforts. Have an about page, a contact page, pages for each of your services, reviews, past clients or projects page. All those are to enhance the user experience and also just to set a solid educational foundation for your site. And then beyond that, things to add that will further enhance the UX, the user experience, is going to be having a live chat button on the bottom right corner of the website, and then also a scroll to top button to help with navigation and accessibility. Third question is, how do you prioritize user experience and search engine optimization? So I love this question because designing websites that have user-friendly interfaces is what search engines, specifically Google, wants to see. And there's a metric that is used to measure that, and it's how long, it's the click-through rate. It's how long users are on your website, or how fast do they stay, how long do they stay on, or do they just click through it real quick and not really stay on your website very long. Typically, a user-friendly interface and user-friendly features are going to have them stay longer, along with quality content that I will also help provide. And beyond that, it's also just implementing SEO strategies, which I will talk about in another video about my local SEO service. Just making sure we have keywords throughout your website, especially in your meta titles and descriptions and your H1 headings. Fourth question is, what is your website design process? So my process is pretty straightforward. I'll first ask the client to send me, one or two websites that they really like so I can get a feel for what it is that they like. I'll take those and then what they like about them. I'll take those inputs from them and create a custom design for them based on what they like and then what is going to be the most user experience friendly and then also Google friendly or SEO friendly. And then I will show them the grayscale design of the website, get their approval. If my client likes that, I'll go forward with making a colored version of that, applying their branding, their logos, all of the photos and content that will be in it, and then showing them that prototype. If they approve that, then we go ahead and then I actually build the website for them so that it's a living, breathing thing. So it's really cool. I love going through that process with my clients. And then my last question is, how long will it take to launch my website? So it typically will take about 1 to 2 months to go through this process. Potential areas there could be delays on this is really just comes down to client responsiveness, and then also complexity of the website. I've had some websites, even though they are typically all service-based business, they do have some extra moving parts. And so I just make sure that I communicate with clients up front if I feel like it's going to take longer than that. And then I also make sure that I give my clients plenty of time to get me the content or information that I need from them to keep that timeline. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any other questions or are interested in getting your website designed by us, feel free to send me a message or to just book a call on my website and we can hop on a call together and discuss your website. So appreciate you taking the time watching this video. Have a good day.